Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the Customize Fields option and the sort function within the People Allocation app in KEBS. The columns displayed within the People Allocation app can be toggled on and off and can be rearranged using the Customize option. The user can rearrange the columns both within the Customize option as well as directly in the landing page. The values within these columns can be sorted in ascending and descending order by clicking on the button next to the column in the landing page. This is how field alteration and sorting works within the People Allocation app. Thanks for watching.